Let me give you a quick tour of the outdoor spaces, starting with the front porch. This home's architecture affords plenty of room for a giant seating area out here. This sectional alone could easily seat 8. Aqua and red throw pillows add color and are mimicked on the ceiling and on the bold shade I painted on the front door. Now let's head to the backyard to take a look at the rest of the outdoor spaces. Beautiful mature landscaping follows the lines of the house, adding texture along the way. Back here, there's a deck that's big enough for entertaining crowds of any size. A couple steps away is a concrete table for dining al fresco. Red bistro chairs add lots of color, plus they really pop off the darkly stained deck. Climbing vines and potted plants scattered throughout bring in even more color and texture. Overhead, the architectural pergola is strung with bistro lights that add tons of ambience at night. This huge deck even opens up to a lush and private backyard with a second dining spot tucked away in the back. And that's a quick look at all the outdoor spaces of this beautiful Cincinnati home.